The world of military aviation is abuzz with the arrival of China's J-36, a heavy tactical fighter jet that looks like it's flown in from the future. This aircraft marks a massive leap for China's People's Liberation Army Air Force, challenging the West's long-held dominance in stealth fighter technology. Unlike previous upgrades, the J-36 is a ground-up 6th-generation design, featuring extreme stealth, advanced AI, and drone control capabilities. Its radical trijet engine setup, tailless diamond double delta wing, and thrust vectoring nozzles set it apart from anything seen before. Each feature alone would be a breakthrough. Together, they create a fighter promising unmatched speed, stealth, and agility. The J-36's emergence has forced global defense analysts to rethink the balance of air power. Initial images and satellite photos have sparked intense debate. What makes this jet so special? Its unique configuration is designed for dominance, outrunning, outmaneuvering, and outsmarting adversaries. The J-36 isn't just hardware, it's a strategic game-changer that could reshape military doctrine for decades. As we explore its features, we'll see how it hides from radar, outpaces rivals, and projects power far beyond China's borders. The J-36 signals China's ambition to lead in military technology and rewrite the rules of air combat. Its arrival marks a new chapter in the global contest for air superiority. The dragon's new claws are here, and the world is watching. One of the J-36's most talked-about features is its advanced thrust vectoring nozzles. These allow the pilot to direct engine thrust in multiple directions, enabling maneuvers impossible for conventional fighters. The result? Super maneuverability, sharp turns, sudden flips, and the ability to point weapons at targets from extreme angles. Integrated with advanced flight computers, the system responds instantly, making the jet feel almost alive in the pilot's hands. Offensively, the J-36 can line up shots from unexpected positions. Defensively, it can dodge missiles with a flick of the controls. This unpredictability is a life-saving advantage in modern dogfights. The two-dimensional nozzles, similar to those on the F-22, are reportedly even more tightly integrated with the J-36's flight systems. The pilot focuses on tactics, the computer handles the rest. In the high-speed chess match of aerial combat, the J-36's agility gives it a whole new set of moves. It's not just fast, it's unpredictable. The J-36's radical tailless design is instantly recognizable. By eliminating vertical tail fins, a major radar reflector, the jet achieves all aspect stealth, making it hard to spot from any angle. Its diamond double delta wing blends two triangles, a steeply swept front for supersonic speed and a broader rear for lift and stability. This shape allows the J-36 to excel as both a high-speed interceptor and an agile dogfighter. Without tails, stability and control come from advanced flight computers and thrust vectoring, which constantly adjusts the wing's control surfaces. The result is an aircraft that's exceptionally slippery to radar, deflecting signals away and appearing almost invisible. This stealth lets the J-36 penetrate deep into enemy territory, strike, and escape undetected. The smooth blended wing body design is a triumph of aerodynamics and stealth engineering. In modern warfare, seeing the enemy first is everything, and the J-36 is built to disappear. Its tailless form isn't just for looks, it's a survival advantage. The future of air combat is shaped like a diamond. The J-36's trijet configuration is a bold departure from tradition. With two main engines and a third, smaller variable cycle engine above them, it boasts raw power and redundancy. This setup delivers a phenomenal thrust-to-weight ratio, rapid acceleration, and the ability to supercruise. Fly supersonic without afterburners. Supercruise extends range and endurance, letting the J-36 cover vast distances quickly. The third engine isn't just backup, it's optimized for high-altitude performance and can power advanced sensors or future-directed energy weapons. If one engine fails, the jet can still fly home, boosting survivability in combat. At high altitudes, the third engine shines, making the J-36 a formidable interceptor against spy planes and hypersonic threats. This trijet design gives the J-36 a unique edge power, range, and resilience. It's a daring engineering choice that sets a new standard for fighter performance. The J-36's heart is as advanced as its shape. Let's break down the J-36's estimated specs. It's a large, heavy fighter, about 22 meters long with a 16-meter wingspan and a massive wing area for lift and maneuverability. Its empty weight is around 21,000 kilograms, with a max takeoff weight exceeding 40,000 kilograms, underscoring its long-range, heavy-hitting role. The jet's combat radius is estimated at over 2,000 kilometers, allowing deep strikes without refueling. This endurance lets China project power far into the Pacific and across Asia. The size isn't just for show. It houses 3 engines, large fuel tanks, and spacious weapon bays. The J-36 is built for reach, endurance, and power projection. It's not a defensive interceptor, it's an offensive platform, designed to hunt high-value targets deep in enemy territory. Every aspect of its design reflects a doctrine of dominance over vast distances. The J-36 is a heavyweight contender in every sense. Stealth fighters are only as deadly as their weapons, and the J-36 packs a punch. All weapons are carried internally to maintain stealth, with 3 large bays for a versatile payload. The main bays can hold 6 to 8 PL-15 long-range air-to-air missiles, each capable of striking targets over 200 kilometers away. For close combat, agile PL-10 infrared missiles are ready for dogfights. The J-36's size allows it to carry precision-guided bombs and air-to-surface missiles for ground and naval strikes. Most concerning is its potential to launch hypersonic missiles, devastatingly fast and nearly impossible to intercept. A stealth jet launching hypersonic weapons is a nightmare for any adversary. The J-36's internal payload makes it a true multi-role threat: air superiority, strike, and anti-ship, all in one. Its weapon bays are as advanced as its airframe. The J-36 is built to dominate every mission. The J-36 is more than a new jet. It's a symbol of China's technological rise and military ambition. No longer just copying foreign designs, China is now innovating, mastering advanced aerodynamics, materials, software, and propulsion. The J-36's complexity shows a mature, world-class defense industry. Its range and stealth make it a tool for power projection, enabling China to control airspace over critical regions, like the South China Sea and Taiwan Strait. The jet supports China's anti-access, area denial strategy, keeping adversaries at bay. It's a clear statement: China intends to challenge U.S. air dominance. The J-36 forces a global rethink of military balance and strategy. Air superiority is no longer guaranteed for the West. The era of uncontested skies is ending. The J-36 is a direct challenge to Western air power, especially the U.S. Air Force and Navy. For years, the F-22 reigned supreme, but the J-36 may be its first true rival, matching or exceeding it in key areas. This shifts the strategic balance in the Indo-Pacific, forcing the U.S. and allies to accelerate next-gen fighter programs like NGAD. The J-36's features, tailless design, advanced engines, AI, set a new benchmark for Western designers. Counter-stealth technologies, networked radars, and electronic warfare will become even more critical. China's industrial capacity means it could field the J-36 in large numbers, unlike the limited F-22 fleet. The US and allies must rethink deployment, cooperation, and what air superiority means in this new era. The numbers game is changing, not just the technology. The skies are about to get a lot more competitive. The J-36 isn't just a new fighter, it's a paradigm shift in global air power. Its blend of stealth, super maneuverability, and trijet power challenges decades of Western dominance. The J-36 forces a rethink of tactics, technology, and strategy for any military operating in its shadow. The days of uncontested Western air superiority are over. The future will be more complex and dangerous. The J-36 is the embodiment of China's ambition to become a global military power. Even with many details still secret, it's clear this jet will redefine aerial combat. The Dragon has revealed its new claws, and the world's air forces must adapt. The arms race in the skies is accelerating. The rules of engagement are changing forever. The sky is now a contested domain, and the J-36 is leading the charge.